Hi dear madams, namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the very pretty next to the pure quality soft Tussar materials with elegant the Ikat Pochampalli prints in entire the panel part as well as in pallu parts with two different designs and two different color options in affordable price point. And we have more than 4,500 plus unique designs with a unique color range. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and let's start the video. Here you can see the very pretty the denim color combination, light denim color combinations with a parrot with a look like a Yeola Pechni prints with elegant Ikat formats in entire the border part with a digitally format. Let me show you the pallu part. The similar concept in entire the printed pallu with elegant the box style prints in printed pallu parts with a green and sky blue color combination motif prints. One side is a peacock and one side is a parrot detailings in entire the border. In border part you receive the Tussar color combination in both side of this border part. In middle parts you receive the denim color combination with a light weighted breathable next to the pure soft Tussar material saree. This saree you received at just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with the same contrast color combination, the lemon yellow and lemon green color combination, the Ikat booties in entire the blouse piece. We have more than 4,500 plus designs, so must be visit our website and download our application www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both device our applications are live now and our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. And if you like our collection, then like chandi, share chandi, subscribe chandi our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063. Second color options, you love this color and very pretty the soft Ikat prints in entire the border and as well as the pitchway artistically printed pallu parts. Let me show you the pitchway artistically printed pallu with Ikat format in digitally prints. Here you can see the very pretty the charming pitchway artistically printed pallu and double Ikat style in entire the border part. Here you can see the golden yellow color combinations with a double Ikat style border in a printed digitally formats with a parrot and Ikat motifs. This lightweighted soft Tussar material saree you received at just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call facility also available. So must be booked one day before on your suitable time slot in our customer care executive number for video call shopping. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063. Here you can see the green with a light peach color combination, tomato peach color combinations in entire the blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at Vastranand.in.